cake's been in the oven about 40 minutes. We want to take it out and take a look at it. Put it up on our board. And one of the best ways to take a look and see whether it's ready or not is to go ahead and just put a toothpick into it. And if it comes out clean, like this, it's done. So now we're going to be ready to put it out onto a plate. Okay, so what we want to do is, in this type of pan, you can see this is already pretty loose. So I would go ahead and put a plate over the top. And I'm going to use my pads because this is very hot. Just go ahead and hold that together. And just flip that over like that. And look at that.